Anas, he has shown na kaya niya talagang umiscore dito no matter the odds are.
Pabalik sa lima ang abante ng Santa Lucia, 18-13, and here's Pingree!
This is the Mark Pingree we're looking for in this campaign of Pure Foods. Yung kanyang aggressiveness pag nasa loob nito, yung taas ng kanyang talon, and of course the fun is talking about in playing the game.
Santa Lucia by 3, this by Reyes, rebound para kay Raimundo. After 3 minutes to go, the opening quarter. Pistol beat dito Jude Simon.
Good thing for Pure Foods, wala na silang masyadong dapat ipangkigil dito. They have settled down at ito, 40 lang ang lamang sa kapila, down by only 3.
Here's Roger Yap. Inabot ni Joseph Yo. Simon from the right corner. Pull up in Dogo. At Dogo for the rebound. And the basket is good.
Kung may mga veterano, itong kupunan ng Santa Lucia, may pangtapat din si Coach Ryan sa kanyang lineup. And one of those veteran players is Romel Aducol, who definitely has the talent to step up.
Back inside the championship capital of Philippine basketball, the Ananet Coliseum, and Kokul fails to complete the three-point play. Pero bola na ako ng Pure Foods.
At we're talking about the importance of Romel Aducol. He did not start in this ballgame. Pagkat mukhang nare-realize si Coach Ryan, kailangan niya na patagalin itong si Romel Aducol dito sa laro because he can definitely step up. To help this guy, Herbe Raimundo is catching fire early on in this ballgame.
Dennis Dan, tinawagan ng foul, his first personal. Kanina pa siya penalty at dalawang kupunan. And there are two gentlemen who are fighting it out for the best player of the conference award. One is Kelly Williams, the other is Ferdinand Punto.
At sa kanyang pambato, ang Pure Foods at Santa Lucia rito sa ating best player of the conference.
Oh, it's Kim Su, who apparently is cheering for Pure Foods.
Oo, dahil
yung news
nila yan. Pero parang may kasama yata.
Mamaya na natin usapin yan. Marlo Aquino with a turnaround.
First 2 points ni Marlo, binawi niya yung kanyang foul kanina sa rebound play. By the game.
Under 4 minutes to go in the opening period. Kirby. There's a double team. Roger Yap. 4-3. Yes, sir!
Again, we talk about Coach Ryan Gregorio na inaalagaan niya yung kanyang mga player. Kaya wala sa first part itong si Roger Yap, kaya wala sa first part itong si Romel Aducol. Alam niya, kailangan niya at papatagalin niya ang mga minuto nito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Here's Marlo Aquino. And he was caught dancing to the wrong song. At yun yung pinapaabangan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Tinuturo niya talaga dun sa referee. Abangan nyo yung traveling and Coach Ryan with predictive powers here.
We also talk about the eyes, the aggressiveness. At yung eyes ba, natatranslate kay Coach Ryan and the rest of the coaching staff.
This was up by 3 points. And here's Simon Natisod. This will be free throw.
And again, dito si Coach Boyet, may bagong pasok, si Norman Gonzalez. Si Marlo Aquino na tawagan ng kanyang first ball, pangatlo na ito. Para kay Marlo Aquino, both teams now in penalty. But Pure Foods suddenly with the upper hand. DJ nakatikim pa ng braso doon. Ni Romel Aducol, sila yung nagpapasunod for the rebound. But DJ Simon tallies both of his free throw.
At lima na ang abante ng Pure Foods after trading this ball game by as many as 7 points. Yo, outside, Gonzalez, pats up. Yes, sir! CF3 for Norman Gonzalez.
Well, hindi na tayo nagugulat. Si Norman Gonzalez knows how to spot up. At kapag tumitira ng tres ito, pilim-pilim. Pero ang taasin ang percentage ni Norman Gonzalez dyan.
Hit-rate nakawala. Roger Yap, one more try. Not that time. Marlo on the move is Derek Miranda. Miranda nakatingin kay Joseph Yo. Steps on the break. Here's Reyes. Reyes, 4-3. No go. Rebound for Roger Yap. And we have 36 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. Simon will fly and score.
That's a statement. Counter-attack from Pure Foods. Pinag-breakan sila. Nandun yung transition defense sila. Pero, kung sila makakuha sa fast break na, hindi na sila napigil.
Marlo side step and he will take 2 free throws.
Nakaya na. Ni Roger Yap, itong atake ni Marlo Aquino. He knows the height advantage. Naghirap ang niya pigilin. So he made sure. As BJ Simon made sure in this layup na makukuha yung 2 puntos in the counter fast break attack. Ginalabit pa si referee Kalungkagin.
Pasok ang unang free throw for Marlo Aquino, and Reyes will sit down. Bitoy Obalo is back on the hard court with 23 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. A slip from the line mula kay Marlo, and that will give Pure Foods, and that will allow Pure Foods to hold on to this 3-point lead. 14 seconds to go before the end of the opening quarter. Bola na kay Simon, eyeball to eyeball with Joseph Yo. At nagtutulakan si Denok Miranda at si James Yap mile away from the ball.
Assignment si Denok Miranda yan. Throughout the series ang limitahan. Ito si James Yap. Kinda successful dito sa first quarter because James Yap only has 4 points and he's averaging in the 20s dito sa ating best of 7 series. Game 3, si James Yap na sa free throw line and he makes the first free throw.
Binabantayan dito ng Pure Foods yung minuto ni James Yap at ni Kirby Raimundo. They're locking in over 40 minutes a game. The big disparity kumpara doon sa kanilang mga kakampi.
At dun sa review nga ni Coach Ryan, nangihina sila sa fourth quarter doon. Especially their top 2 scorers. Kaya ito, patay na ang pacing niya. Kay Kirby Raimundo ni James Yap.
Meantime, Peter Jun Simon was tagged with a foul with only 1 second remaining dito sa opening quarter. Kaya't mabibigyan ng 2 free throws si Joseph Yo.
As both teams are in penalty right now, Joseph Yo connects with the first free throw for his 5th point. Very important shot dito sa lineup ni first point of Joseph Yo, especially in the final. Ako, sayang na pagkakataon yun.
Ito, may magandang pagkakataon sa Santa Lucia dito because they will inbound from under the basket.
Correct. Dahil yung pasa ni Mark Fingers, walang tinamaan.
Golden chance for them to actually tie the game. 1 second to go, the opening quarter. Joseph Yo going for alley-oop. Nabitawan niya ang bola. Diyan magtatapos. Opening quarter. Pure Foods hoping to score their first win in the series, led by Kirby Raimundo. And they're up by 2 points. 28-26 sa pagtatapos ng opening quarter. Back inside a big goal for more PBA action. At ngayon naman, puntahan natin si Coach Norman Black from the Coach's Corner. Coach, your thoughts on what transpired in the opening quarter?
I thought Pure Foods did in the first quarter what they do best. They got the ball to Kirby and James Yap to try to lead them. You know, sometimes Pure Foods, their shot selection isn't great. They force their shots up, but that's how they got here to this championship series, and that's what they did in that first quarter.
Oo, at more importantly, Coach, they go to Kirby Raimundo at kay James Yap on separate occasions. So, ika nga, natatiming, na-ipe-play si Coach Ryan yung kanyang mga focal persons doon sa kanilang offense.
Alright, so babalikan natin si Coach Norman as the game goes along, and we'll be joined by Coach Norman at the half for Black Sport. Back to the ball game is Romel Ladugol, and he misses.
At this time, makita mo ang mga taga Santa Lucia sa pag-mintis ng Pure Foods. At agad yung kanilang pampalit doon. As Bitoy Umulon and his usual self na tumatapos sa mga fast break ng Santa Lucia. Nakakuha man ang unang foul from Mark Fingris. Pure Foods actually has good numbers in the first quarter when we are talking about those for the ball. Also rebounding, they out-rebounded Santa Lucia in the first quarter, 16-11. Pero pinatay naman sila ng kanilang turnovers. They had 7 turnovers at ika nga, dalawa lamang dito sa kumpunan ng Santa Lucia. Pero ito, binabantayan natin dahan. Mas madami ang heading hand. That would be a very good sign para sa kumpunan ng Pure Foods with 23 points outside James Yap.
Well, absolutely, because that will preserve James Yap for the stretch run, if you will. A stretch by Denok Miranda, no go. Rebound para kay Adugol.
plus a better field goal shooting for Pure Foods dahil